Zapier Tutorial for Beginners 2023. How to use Zapier step by step. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about Zapier. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that allows you to connect and automate workflows between different apps and services. Whether you're a small business owner or a busy professional, Zapier can help you streamline your work and increase productivity. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to get started with Zapier, from creating your account and setting up your first Zap, to managing your workflow and troubleshooting common issues. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a good understanding of how to use Zapier to automate your workflow and simplify your workday. So, let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to do is go to Zapier.com. After typing in this on your URL tab, you would be redirected to this page over here. Now over here, this is where we will be able to create our account and start with our Zapier. As you can see here, we can start with email or we can start free with Google. You can simply choose any of this option that you want and you would be able to sign up with any option that you chose over here. Now, after signing in or signing up, you would be redirected to this dashboard of Zapier. As you can see right now, we have a lot of things on our screen. So I'm going to talk about each and every part of this one by one. Now, before we start with this page though, we're going to go and click on Explore over here on left side. And over here in this page, we would be able to find more information about Zapier. It automates 5,000 plus apps in a million of ways. And you could use this Zapier to make your different website or different platform interact with each other automatically. As you can see here, top companies trust Zapier to automate work and free up time. We have Slack over here, Meta, which is Facebook, Shopify, Dropbox, and Asana over here. It's also showing you popular ways to start saving your time. It can seamlessly transfer all of your data from one app to another, which is very useful. You could also find pre-made workflows to help you save time and resources. You could also build something yourself by connecting all apps together. You could start in minutes and save hours. As you can see here, Zapier is faster and easier than building your own integration, and you won't need to write any code, which is very useful for small-time business or people who are not familiar with coding. As you can see here also, we have the different examples of different apps that it can use. You would be able to see famous platforms over here like Gmail, Twitter, Facebook, and Shopify over here. We also have Instagram and many more. Like it said, it has 5,000 apps that it can use. You could also filter out the different apps over here from business owner to customer support, data science, engineering, HR, IT, marketing, project management, and sales ops over here. Now, over here below, we could also see the pre-made workflows already over here. We have Excel to Typeform, Facebook with email, Facebook with Gmail, Gmail with Typeform, Slack with Typeform, email by Zapier with Facebook lead ads, Facebook lead ads with Google Sheets, Facebook page with RSS by Zapier. There's also filter by Zapier, Gmail, and then Google Drive, Trello and Typeform, and Gmail and Google Sheets over here. Now over here on the top, you can also see different products of Zapier over here. As you can see, we have Zapier Automation Platform and Zapier Early Access over here. Zapier Transfer is available, Zapier Tables is available, and Zapier Interface is available. There's also solutions over here. You could see that by role, you could have solutions for marketing, business owner, IT, and sales operation. You could also see solutions for workflow like lead management, customer communication, internal process, data management, and there's also by company over here. There's also resources and support over here, which would help you learn more about Zapier. There's a premium version of Zapier, so we're going to check out the pricing over here. Now over here on the plans and pricing, we can see the different plans that we have. Currently, we are using the free version, which is absolutely for free. We have 100 tasks per month limit. There's also 5 zaps for us and 15-minute update. Over here for the starter, which is $20 per month, there is up to 750 tasks per month over here. You could add this, you could add more tasks, but it would cost more. As you can see here, there is 20 zaps available for you and 15-minute update. And we also have professional, team, and company, which is more expensive than the other, but it would be more helpful for you. As you can see here, it has unlimited subs. It's 1 minute update time. There's 100,000 tasks per month. You could also see all this different long list of features that you can access. And depending on what you need to do and how you would like to use Zapier, you should get the appropriate plan, as you can see over here. Now we're going to go back to our dashboard over here, and we're going to start exploring how we could use Zapier. As you can see here, we are able to create a Zap by simply searching for the app that we would like to start and another app over here. There's also recommendations over here like what we saw earlier. Over here, it is a workflow for save new Gmail attachment to Google Drive, save new Gmail email matching to certain traits to Google Spreadsheet, and many more. But for us right now, we're going to try this out. We're going to maybe search for an app, for example, Gmail, and we would be able to see the application that we search over here. We're going to click Gmail and another application that we would like Gmail to work with us. For example, we're going to make it work with our MailChimp. If you don't know, MailChimp is an email marketing campaign website or platform that you could use, which is very good for email marketing and just like that. And over here, it's going to ask us what would happen in Gmail to trigger an action in MailChimp. By clicking this, we would be able to see all the different action that happens in Gmail. As you can see here, we have new label, new attachment, new email matching search, new labeled email, new start email, and new thread. You can simply select any of this depending on what you need. For example, we're going to go with new email. Now over here, what would happen after we receive a new email? Let's going to select over here on our MailChimp. Over here, it's going to either have API request, add node to subscriber, add subscriber to tag, create a campaign, create custom event, create tag, find campaign, find a subscriber, find or create campaign and subscriber and tag over here, and many more options over here. You can simply select any of this option. For example, we're going to go with add subscriber to tag, just like that. And after that, you can simply click on try it over here, and you would be redirected to the editor of Zap. As you can see here, we would be able to see this much more. We could click this, and we would be able to connect our Gmail over here. You're simply going to sign in with your Gmail account, as you can see here. And just like that, we're going to allow it to connect with our Google account. And just like that, our Gmail has been connected with our Zapier over here. We can check out the trigger, and there's also a test over here wherein we can test our trigger. We could click this, test trigger. And as you can see, we have found an email, and just like that. It means that our email is properly integrated with Zapier because we were able to receive the email over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on continue, and now we're going to set up our MailChimp account over here. Now, like what we said earlier, this is our event happening over here. We could change this to whatever you want, like we said earlier, but we're going to let that be for now. We could change the application over here. Actually, by clicking this, you could change it to something else. Actually, here you would be able to see the different apps much better, as you can see here. For example, we're going to change it actually to Google Docs, just like that. And we're going to choose an event, maybe append text to document, just like that, create document from template, upload document, find document, just like that. For example, we're going to append text, just like that for now. And we're going to click on continue, and we're going to connect our Google Docs to our Zapier. Going to connect. And just like earlier, we're going to allow Zapier to access our Google account. And we're going to wait for it. And just like that, it has connected. Now we're going to click on continue. As you can see here, I changed the interaction between my apps because it wasn't letting me continue with what I did earlier. So we're going to go with this one. And as you can see, our Zap is turned on. And we could click on go to my Zap. And over here, as you can see, this is where we will be able to see the Zap that we have created. We could turn this on or off just like this. You could edit this once again by clicking on the three dots. You could see view, details, history, rename, share a template, duplicate, transfer, or delete over here. Now to transfer between files, you could click over here on the left side and click on transfers. And over here, you would be able to connect your apps, select data to move, and transfer your data. And that's it, guys. That's how you can use Zapier as a beginner. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.